everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle from Glamour Has No Age. Today we are doing a full face of Nothing New High-End. I have so much makeup to show you as well that I bought, that I'd figured I'd start off with the old stuff and then trickle in the new stuff as we go along. So I'm going to start off, I've prepped with skincare, I've prepped with my sunscreen. So I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs Undercover Blur Perfection. It's a primer. It's a silicone based primer. I like it because it hides all of the wrinkles. I like it because it hides all of the wrinkles. Charlotte Tilbury Dark Eye Under Corrector. It's in Fair Pale. Foundation I'm going to use is the Too Faced Matte Foundation. I like this. You have to set it with powder, but I really like it. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3 pumps, and since my beauty blender is dirty, I'm going to use my brush. My Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter in number 2 medium. I forgot to do my concealer. I'm using the Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer in medium light. I'm using a Sigma Precision Firm blender. Now I'm going to powder and set my under eye lightly. Eyes. I'm going to use my MAC paint pot in Painterly. Sigma Precision Round. On shadow shields, since I've already done my my foundation. I'm going to use a Morphe M441 and my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set the tops of my eyes. That just helps me with blending. Do a very simple eye. I am using the viseart Paris Edit Paris Edit. I'm gonna go into this color right here and put that in my crease. E36 and go into this top color right here. Brush the Morphe M456. Go back into this color and run it through my crease to deepen it up. A Morphe M166 shader and go into this color right here and put it all over my lid. I had a lot of fallout from that shade. I think I put too much on. The shadow shield's off with the fallout. A Morphe M441 and just make sure I blended everything together. My Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer. I'm in the shade medium. I'm gonna bronze up my face using the Morphe R7. The Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush, and this is in Daria. And I'm gonna use this pink blush right here. I'm gonna use a Morphe M405. All over blended the Sigma E37 and go into this diamond powder and apply it as a highlight. That's really pretty. I use Charlotte Tilbury Hepburn Honey. And that's, oh, I forgot my mascara. For mascara, I usually only do my top lashes. For mascara, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. That's it. This is my final look. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Comment down below your favorite products to use. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.